Last winter, I almost lost a stray cat to freezing rain. That's when I decided to test 5 different outdoor cat houses. What I found shocked me. 3 were dangerous. 1 was a scam. And only 1 kept a cat completely warm in -10 degrees Celsius. Stay till the end, because the winner might save a life. Starting at number 1. Petsfit Outdoor Cat House. Best overall. Best 4, giving outdoor cats a mid-sized cat house with 2 levels, both a hideaway and a porch that can be their lookout post, plus a scratcher. Features: asphalt roofing is an effective protectant against rain, and the house itself should be made of weatherproof, sturdy wood, Dr. Conrad says, and both are features of this kitty abode. This pick has 2 doors, which is key if there are dogs, rival cats, or predators around. The escape door allows a cat who is inside to get out, but prevents other animals from entering. A front door flap helps protect against wind and other weather elements. The elevated floor helps keep the interior dry. Reviewers find this house to be fairly straightforward to assemble, but some say that the pre-drilled holes are not always in the right place, requiring some new drill work. Others report that the wood can wear down over time and weather. Other versions: Petsfit also makes a wooden 2-story cat house with 2 enclosures, 1 high and 1 low. Number 2. K&H Pet Products Outdoor Heated Kitty House. Best heated. Best 4, porch shelter during cold winters. This can be used outdoors under an overhang, where it can be plugged in, and requires no tools to put together. Features: this cat house will keep cats nice and toasty even during winter, thanks to electric, heated cat bed with a removable and washable cover. It's sold for outdoor use but can be used indoors, too. There are 2 exits with removable door flaps. The water-resistant walls and roof should keep harsh weather out but can become saturated if the house is left exposed. It's best to situate this house on a porch or patio, in a garage, or anywhere else under an overhang. The heating pad heats up when the cat is inside and turns off when it leaves. Assembly is simple: just attach the walls to each other with the hook and loop closures. No tools are required. Since this cat house isn't made of wood or asphalt but rather polyester, the brand notes that the roof can't hold a kitty's weight. This house isn't for climbing or sunbathing. It's only large enough for 1 cat. Other versions: if you have more than 1 kitty companion, the extra-wide multi-kitty version of this house is for 2 cats. Number 3. Kitty Tube Outdoor Insulated Cat House. Best insulated. Best 4, cat shelter from cold and weather that doesn't require electricity, so it can be placed anywhere. This has foam insulation at the top and bottom and comes with straw to make a bed. Features: the kitty tube is made of post-consumer recycled plastic bottles, according to the brand's website, and it's designed to protect outdoor cats and feral cats from the elements. Unlike some other outdoor cat houses, this one only has a single door to ensure the inside retains as much heat as possible. Although this house isn't raised off the ground, it features a thick layer of foam insulation on the bottom to prevent the floor from getting too chilly or wet. It comes with straw to make a bed, and the brand says it can be an appropriate place for a mama kitty to have her kittens. The top comes off for cleaning or air drying the house. Assembly doesn't require any tools, but reviewers recommend watching the YouTube video that explains how to set it up. Other versions: for a couple of extra dollars you can buy a model with a pillow inside instead of straw. Number 4. Aivituvin Catio. Best for indoor cats visiting the outdoors. Best 4, giving house-dwelling kitties some fresh air and birdwatching, but not bird-catching, time. Catios are meant to be an outdoor enrichment environment for otherwise indoor cats, explains Dr. Conrad. They do not protect against rain, wind, or snow. Features: this a large structure, 70 inches high, with a 64-inch door so that adults can enter to clean or fetch kitties. The mesh walls are excellent for letting your cat experience outdoor time without worrying about them wandering away. 7 perches are in low, medium, and high positions. Cats can jump and play, and there are 2 enclosed sleeping spaces. There's space at the bottom for a litter box. Online reviewers say that this takes several hours to build, and recommend that 2 people build it together. Other versions: this version only has a tarp roof, which is weather-resistant but not as weatherproof as asphalt. You'll want to place it under an overhang. For an asphalt roof, a feature Dr. Conrad recommends to help keep the inside protected from sun or drizzle, step up to the extra-large version. Number 5. Petsfit Weatherproof Cat House. Best for 1. Best 4, anyone looking for a simple wooden cat house for just 1 cat. Features: the same brand that makes our best overall choice also offers this smaller wooden A-frame cat shelter, which can fit just one cat. Its compact size makes it more affordable and easier to tuck into a corner of your yard or patio. Legs lift the house 2 inches off the ground to help prevent the floor from becoming damp. Both the PVC curtains on the door and the slanted asphalt roof help keep out wind, rain, and snow. The brand says the house is weatherproof. Like the previous choice, this mini version also has an escape door on the opposite side of the front door. That way, if an unwelcome guest like a neighboring dog sticks its head in, the cat can sneak out the back way. This is just for one cat, and some online reviewers report that it's smaller than they expected. Other versions, there's also a 2-level A-frame for multiple cats. Which outdoor cat house would you trust for your furry friend? Comment below. All product links for your buy are in the video description, including the winter winner. Smash that like, share this with a cat lover, and subscribe for more pet safety tests in 2026. Stay safe, stay kind.